Soichiro Honda was born in 1906 in a small village in Japan, a place where dreams often felt distant, yet the spirit of innovation simmered beneath the surface. His father, a blacksmith, ran a modest shop where young Soichiro spent countless hours tinkering with bicycles. He was captivated by the rhythm of gears and the hum of engines, a fascination that ignited a fire within him. School, however, wasn't his strong suit. His grades were mediocre at best, but his mind raced with visions of speed and the thrill of motion. He was not just a boy, he was a dreamer, a visionary in the making. As a young man, Honda's ambitions took a bold turn. He wanted to manufacture piston rings, the very heart of engines. With unwavering determination, he embarked on his first entrepreneurial venture. The world watched as he poured every ounce of his energy into this dream. But fate had other plans. In 1948, he approached Toyota, the titan of the automotive industry, with a hope that his piston rings would find a place in their engines. The rejection was swift and brutal. Toyota dismissed his work, deeming it unworthy. It was a crushing blow, a moment when the ground beneath his dreams felt like quicksand. But Honda was not a man to be defeated by a single setback. Instead of wallowing in despair, he returned to school determined to enhance his knowledge and skills. He immersed himself in the intricacies of engineering, fueled by the fire of his past rejection. Yet, just as he began to rise, the world was plunged into chaos. The Second World War engulfed Japan, and Honda's fledgling factory was destroyed. The ashes of his dreams littered the ground, but even in the face of devastation, Honda's spirit remained unbroken. In the aftermath of the war, Japan lay in ruins, but from this rubble, Honda saw an opportunity. In 1948, he established Honda Motor Co., not as a mere manufacturer of engines, but as a beacon of innovation. He began with a simple yet revolutionary idea: bicycles powered by small engines. These were not just any bicycles. They were a new era of speed and reliability, crafted with precision and passion. Honda's vision was clear. He wanted to create machines that would transform lives, that would inspire movement and freedom. As the 1950s unfolded, Honda's ascent was nothing short of remarkable. His motorcycles became a sensation in Japan, capturing the hearts of a nation eager for progress. Each bike was a testament to his relentless pursuit of excellence, a symbol of resilience in a country rebuilding itself. Honda's machines roared to life, embodying the spirit of a people rising from the ashes. He wasn't just selling motorcycles, he was selling a dream, an opportunity for adventure and escape. But Honda was not content to rest on his laurels. The world was changing, and he had his sights set on America. In the 1960s, he made the bold decision to expand into the U.S. market. Many questioned his ambition, doubted his vision. The American automotive landscape was dominated by giants. And yet, Honda's spirit was undeterred. He introduced the Honda Super Cub, a motorcycle that would redefine transportation. Its sleek design and affordability captured the imagination of Americans, and soon it became a cultural phenomenon. By the 1970s, Honda had established itself as a global powerhouse. The company was no longer just a name, it was a symbol of innovation and resilience. As the world embraced the era of globalization, Honda led the charge, pushing boundaries and redefining what was possible in the automotive industry. His machines were not just vehicles, they were a testament to the power of dreams, the embodiment of a philosophy that celebrated failure as a stepping stone to success. Honda's legacy transcended the machines he built. He crafted a philosophy that resonated deeply with dreamers and doers alike. He taught that failure was not the end, but rather a valuable teacher. Each rejection, each setback, was a lesson learned, a step closer to greatness. His journey illustrated that the path to success is often paved with obstacles, and it is in overcoming these challenges that true character is forged. Reflecting on Honda's life, one cannot help but marvel at the tenacity of a man who, in 1948, found himself without a job and title. Yet, he possessed a vision that would change everything, not just for himself, but for the world around him. He understood that sometimes rejection is not a dead end. It is a catalyst for monumental success. It is the spark that ignites the flame of ambition, pushing us to rise, to innovate, and to create. Soichiro Honda's story is a powerful reminder that greatness often begins with a single step into the unknown. His journey from a small village in Japan to the pinnacle of the automotive industry is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It is a narrative woven with threads of resilience, ambition, and unwavering belief. In a world that often celebrates success without acknowledging the struggles behind it, Honda's legacy stands tall, a beacon for dreamers everywhere. The lesson is clear: embrace rejection, learn from failure, and never lose sight of your vision. For in the heart of every setback lies the potential for a comeback, a chance to rise and transform not just your life, but the world. Soichiro Honda did just that. He turned rejection into revolution, and in doing so, he carved his name into the annals of history. His journey is not just a story of success. It is a call to action for all who dare to dream.